Okay, we have a 2025 Kia K4 key fob. We need to open it up to replace the battery. Okay, so if we look at the remote, this side here has the buttons on it. We're going to turn this to the left like this, and we're going to take off this panel right here. So if we look down at the bottom, there's a slot actually where you can get a flathead screwdriver and just pop this back cover off. Okay, so again, it's going to be the cover when we have the buttons to the left. Here's your battery right here. Notice there's a positive sign right here on the bracket right here. And you can just push the battery out of the key fob. Push it out the bottom there. All right. So the battery size is a CR2460. Positive sign here matches up to the positive sign here. When you get your new one, you just slide it in here like this, all the way in there like that. And if you need a battery, there will be a link in the description box and in the comment box. Takes you to Amazon where you get a brand new Panasonic battery. They're very cheap there. So then you just get the back panel, stick it on here like this. Start at the top and work your way down, and it just snaps back on. It's that simple. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could. Subscribe to support the channel, and hope to see you again in another Kia video.